Good evening, India. Welcome back to BJ English News, where we bring you the latest headlines.
Bihar DM faces backlash for slapping candidate during exam. A heated controversy erupted during the BPSC 70th Combined Competitive Examination CCE 2024 when Patna District Magistrate Dr. Chandrasekhar Singh allegedly slapped a protesting candidate. The incident, reportedly caused by the candidate's refusal to calm down, has drawn widespread condemnation from opposition leaders. RJD termed the act an insult to youth aspirations, while Congress demanded strict action, citing administrative overreach. Allegations of paper leaks further intensified the issue, with opposition parties demanding systematic reforms. The event has amplified concerns about Bihar's examination processes and highlighted the urgency for credible. Yogi government invites Bihar's leader for Grand Mahakumbh. The Uttar Pradesh government extended an official invitation to Bihar's Governor Rajendra Arlekar and Chief Minister Nitish Kumar for the upcoming Mahakumbh 2025 in Prayagraj. Scheduled for January, the event is expected to attract over 45 crore devotees. UP Minister Rakesh Sachan and Daya Shankar Singh emphasized eco-friendly measures including plastic-free zones and disposable leaf-based plates during their visit to Patna. Bihar's leader, including RJD chief Lalu Prasad Yadav, were urged to join and promote cultural unity. With smart parking and other advanced amenities, the event aims to set benchmarks in environmental and logistics. Finance Minister defends scheme supporting women amid criticism. Jharkhand Finance Minister Radhakrishnan Kishore starchingly defended the Maya Samman Yojana, which reallocates surplus funds to support women's welfare. The initiative provides financial aid to essential needs, aiming to empower rural women and boost local economies. Criticism from opposition parties was dismissed as baseless, with Kishore highlighting the government's efficient use of unutilized funds. Plans to increase revenue through Odisha's mineral royalty model were also shared. The program underscores the administration's focus on inclusive development despite political resistance, showcasing a cabinet clears simultaneous elections, mixed reactions follow. On December 12, 2024, the Union Cabinet approved the groundbreaking One Nation, One Election bill aiming to synchronize state and national elections. BJP lauded the move for its potential to reduce electoral costs and administrative burden. However, opposition leaders expressed skepticism about its feasibility, citing constitutional and logistical complexities. Congress demanded a thorough debate in Parliament, emphasizing the need for wider consensus on the issue. The bill has reignited discussions about India's electoral reforms, with both sides presenting contrasting perspectives on its potential impact. Parliamentary deliberations will Bihar resolves decades old land disputes, citizens relieved. Bihar Revenue Minister Dr. Dilip Kumar Jaiswal announced the resolution of a 35-year-old land dispute in Purnia. The issue, which left residents unable to obtain land rent receipts due to unresolved assessments, has finally been addressed through localized ward camps. Efforts to modernize land records and address similar problems in other districts are also underway. Jaiswal highlighted challenges like outdated surveys and damage to records from natural disasters, but reaffirmed the government's commitment to resolving grievances. The resolution marks significant progress in streamlining land related processes and rebuilding trust among residents.